Hey guys, welcome back to Serene Bookworks. Today I just have a little fun project that I did for my granddaughter who's having a birthday in a few weeks, and I get to go down to Louisiana and spend some time with her for her birthday. Usually what I do is when I go down there I take her shopping. She's just a toddler. And I let her pick out what she wants, you know, a toy or whatever. But, you know, I'm a grandma and grandmas have to bring goodies. So I have some stuff for mom and dad, but I also have this for her. And this took quite a while to do, only because it took me forever to figure out how I wanted to do it. A couple videos back, she was down visiting, and I got a TN from Priscilla at that time in the mail, and I almost didn't get it back because she loved it so much. Pulling out all the tags and cards and showing her little stuffed puppy, and it was just so cute, and she really loves the whole book ideas. So the first thing that I did was try to reconstruct an older journal that I had. Didn't work. It kind of fell apart. I'm not going to say any more about that. Anyway, then I thought, well, this would be cute. I have a little box, and I made a template out of that box. And this was kind of what I came up with. And my original thought was to put a numbers book here and then an alphabet book here. Firstly, this is too big. It won't fit in here. Could I make a bigger size? Yes. But like I said, she's a toddler, and I can just see this being torn like wrapping paper. So it's cool, and I will definitely make something else out of this. But it won't be for my little stink bug. So I just went through everything that I already had, and I'll just do a quick flip through here of the first thing here is the number book, which she's so cute because she's got little pudgy toddler hands and she tries to count on her fingers, and it's so cute. April and Shayna have given me lots of miscellaneous cards, and so I just altered them. Basically, as you can see here, I put scrap papers and coffee dyed paper and stuff on the back. I stamped out the words. This is from an old, what do you call it? One of those old multiplication flashcards that I chopped up. Put some bling on here. So that's what all this is. When I go down there, I am taking some stickers and stuff so that she can write and put stickers and stuff like that on her own. I found this cool trim at Hobby Lobby not too long ago, and she's my little princess. So let's see, is that upside down? I don't know, I can't tell. Anyway, so that's a playing card, for example. And it's just real simple and easy. I had a whole bunch of butterflies punched out, so that's what that is. This is all paper that I've had for ages. Stickers that I've had for ages. But I was happy to be able to use these cards without altering them too much. This is just a note card, and as you can see, there's some bleed through on there, which is a bummer. But, you know, that's okay. She won't care. And I just tried to make things that she would like. You know, the puppy dog paws and the flowers. So you can use so much stuff. There's 9 hearts there. This is just a little fun little flip for her to play with. I like to do stuff with her. Last time I went down, we made slime together, so this time we'll decorate her books. So that's just a real simple numbers book. And for the alphabet, I thought it would be fun to put things in there that she already knows, you know, for the association part. So A is for apple, B is for, oh yeah, it's her. I got her a Barbie for Christmas too. That was one of her gifts. And again, this is just stuff that I had laying around, and it all worked out so well. These are playing cards of some sort that I think Shayna gave me. D is for Daddy, C is for Crown. And again, we're going to decorate this. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I think April gave me this card out of a game that she had. And so, yeah, I think that's just so cute. And G is for Gigi. That's what she calls Greg. And I didn't have to do too much looking around. H is for hi. I didn't have to do too much looking around to find images that I thought she would like. And I did get some brads, and I've had these cutouts forever and ever. I got these brads as part of my Secret Santa gift, so I just made some little interactive things here for her. She loves Jack Skellington, so J is for Jack, K is for Kitten. It could have been for Kiki, that's what she calls me, but that's okay. Ladder, her dad is a fireman, so she knows all about ladders. Mommy, and she lives down in Louisiana, and there's all kinds of wildlife down there, so she knows a lot about that. There's an owl that I thought would be fun for her to color. This is just a tag that I had that I just put in there for fun. Another crown in the middle. There's a pig, and Q is for Queen. She'll probably say princess, but that's okay. She's 3, you know? Or she will be. Rocking horse, smile. Let me get in the picture there. T is for turtle. This is a cute little tag that I had. Umbrella. Violin. And let's see here. Wagon. X is for excited. I know. She's 3, you know? X is for excited. And again, these are just some tags that I just had. I just played around with them. And Y is for yo-yo. I don't know if she knows what a yo-yo is. Some kids don't anymore, you know? And then Z is for zoo. She loves the zoo. So there we go. So I just wanted to come on and share that really quick. Because, you know, yeah, she's 3, but will these last forever for her? Probably not. Will we have fun when I'm down there for a week or so playing and decorating these? Yes. So that's my main goal here. All right, so I just wanted to share this really super quick, and I encourage you to make books of your own for the little ones in your life. I can't wait till she's a little bit older and we can make a real one, together. So that's what I wanted to share today. You guys have a great week, and I will talk to you later. Bye.